Hi, good morning, Nipun. Thanks for joining and welcome to the channel. Can we start with a brief introduction from your side, what you're doing right now?
Definitely, sir. So, first of all, very good morning, sir. And my name is Nipun Parekh. I am from Rajkot, Gujarat. I have completed my BTech. Recently, I have completed my BTech from Marward University in ICT branch. So, that is of Information Communication Technology. So, that is hardware of EC and computer. So, I will get hardware and software exposure. Apart of that, I am a AWS community builder. I am a Rajkot group leader, AWS UG group Rajkot leader. I am AWS ambassador as well. I was a Microsoft ambassador as well, and I have done some of the certifications like AWS. I am 3 times Oracle certified, then Aviatrix certified, then Azure certified, and GitLab, and many more certificate I have done. I will not bore you with this certification things. And yes, I love to play cricket because it's my hobby, and I like to solve coding problem. So this was about me.
Wow. How did you get so much while you're a student? Like a lot of students I've seen really don't have enough exposure. Most of them don't even know what is cloud. And you have done Microsoft and AWS certification and also done Oracle. You're also leading the user group. Like, how did you enter this? How did you enter this world?
Right, sir. So basics that I've got in the fourth semester during the internship, like in college life, internship plays the vital role. Like from that, you will get the boost. Like this is the IT industry, and that thing I have to do this. So from that, I have started exploring cloud computing at fourth semester in second year of my engineering college, and from that I will get idea like what is cloud and how to go with it. And after that, I will come with AWS and that kind of thing. And after that, in I was using LinkedIn, so in that I get this notification like AWS user group is there hosting one event. So I think let's take a chance and go there. So that was the booming from my career, like where you meet all the IT industry professional and you will get idea like what you have to do next and what you are going to do. So that was where I started, and after that, I was continuously building myself, and I was trying to do something great. And the main aim was to give back to the community because I have learned from the community. So definitely, it is my role to give back to the community. So that is the main motive, and I've just started working, and it is going.
Wow. So did you meet any interesting mentors in the community?
Yes, definitely, sir. A lot of industrial mentor and community mentors. Like recently, I was playing role as a AWS Community 2020 as a UI UX designer or creative
Mhm.
design team. So at there all the leaders are there. Like Partha was there, Dijas is there, like Nilesh Shah is there. So all the mentors are awesome, and from that you will get like I have to reach at this stage and I want to do this thing. So that is the they are giving you like you have to do this thing, and that thing will be they're guiding us continuously. So that is the best part.
Okay. You said you are an AWS ambassador and AWS community builder and Microsoft ambassador as well.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
and AWS community builder it's a pretty popular program. Now, what is AWS ambassador or Microsoft ambassador?
Okay, so basically it is there for the university level. So you have to grow community in your university. For example, in AWS, the AWS cloud is there. Then students want to learn cloud, but they are not aware about like from where to start and what to do.
Mm.
So from this platform, I will host the event, and student will get chance to learn from the technical person or from the industrial person, or we are taking the webinar, we are providing them guidance like you I have taken webinars in most of platform like NITs is there, like Bangalore is there, that kind of thing, and we are giving guidance like you can do this thing, you can start with the basic service, you can start with the project like hands on with the AWS cloud. So they will get the flavor like what is cloud, and it is really very easy things. So that is a beneficial part for them also. And
Oh,
similarly kind of there it is there for the Microsoft and common AWS.
okay, so you have been learning both Microsoft and Azure as well as AWS.
Yes, sir.
So you have done certifications for both.
Right, sir.
Wow. So which one do you like?
Sir, both have a different flavor. Like it's up to the client requirement, or it's up to you, up to us. Like
Okay.
both have the somewhat great thing and somewhat the bad part of it. So
Okay.
according
What
to
is
the situation, we can go ahead.
okay? So both have their pros and cons.
Yes, definitely, sir. and both are the great to learn, sir, because we are not able to stick at any one platform and we can tell like I'm doing this thing. We have to continuously change and we have to learn ourselves, because anytime any platform will booming and client require this platform and that platform.
Okay, that's interesting. So apart from AWS and like apart from cloud, any other technologies that you have ventured?
Yes, sir. Almost in DevOps. Like I work with all these technologies, like Jenkins is there, SonarCube is there, GitLab CI is there. I'm also GitLab certified.
Mhm.
So Jenkins, Kubernetes, Docker is there. So I worked in all this field.
Oh, wow. When did you do all this in your college life? How did you find time for it?
Okay, so in college life, I have not explored that much. But after this 6 month of internship and I was doing job right now, so
Mm.
in that I have explored a lot of things. But in college, the company wants a basic thing, like your concept is clear. So I make sure like I was doing Docker and Kubernetes and all kind of stuff in basics of that in college life also. So a part of college, like it was there from morning 8 to 5 or 9 to 5. The time is scheduling. So a part of that, and this lockdown is very beneficial for me. I grabbed the time and I was just building myself and learning new things, because I like to explore new tools, new technology. So I was doing in that thing.
Okay, that's interesting. So your efforts during your college time, how does it pay off in your job right now?
Okay,
Does it pay
so
off or?
definitely hard work will pay off anytime and everywhere. So definitely it is going to great thing for me, because in IT industry what they require like strong knowledge of this cloud, or the basic strong knowledge of the cloud, like minute thing like VPC is there, the networking concept should be stronger, then EC2 like Linux command and Linux administrator things should be strong in yourself. So I have worked hard, I have seen the practically, so definitely it is a add-on part for me in IT industry.
Okay, so you are able to relate to it while you work on your uh, project in your current job, or is the
Definitely.
project really different from it?
Sorry, sir.
So is the project different from what you have done, or you can relate to what you have learned so far?
No, no, sir. Like in IT industry, like all the scenarios different. What we have learned, that will add on part. Like we have to learn new things. Yes, project is not like a basic things. So we have to learn new things. But definitely, what we have learned in the college or the basic thing, that is the cherry on the cake. So it will definitely help us.
Okay, so that's an add-on. You have to do your work anyway, but it is just an add-on that it will add more value to what you're doing today.
Yes, sir.
That's good. So how do you see yourself few years down the line? Like you continue to job, or you have some products in mind, or you want to take some startup, or how would you go? You have some plans?
Uh, right, sir. But I look for the job only. I have registered the prototype of my our project. Like it was there in SSIP. I also part of the Newgen IDC project, which was distributed only seven project among the Gujarat. So I was been there in one only. And yes, we have product in mind. But right now I'm looking for the job only, sir.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, we'll get a bit deeper into AWS since I met you in the AWS community. I just want to know how are you contributing to the AWS Builders community?
Right, sir. So in that we can contribute like taking webinars or by giving writing blogs. So I was writing blogs. I've written only 2 or 3 blogs, and then the more thing that I have to learn. So I am learning from this community. Like there are a lot of people who are master in this particular domain and particular things. So from that I'm learning the things, and then I'm teaching to my other students like who are there of junior in my college. So I'm guiding them also, and I'm
Okay,
also improving myself and giving back to the community.
that's good. So how many people have you interacted in the AWS community, in the AWS Builders community?
I have not interact with much more. I have tried to interact, but I think my question was silly at that time because I was at the basic stage. So I have tried to communicate, but some of will answer and some of will not, because they have more knowledge, so they will look forward.
And maybe they were busy with something, so they did not respond.
Yeah, yes, sir. So I learned. contact with many people.
Okay.
Like in database is there, like Anurag sir is there. Lot of different person is also there. So when I want to learn, I'm stuck in any kind of scenario. So I just post the question over there, and they are going to reply me.
Okay. Good. So what parts of AWS do you use?
In AWS services,
Yeah.
I have used almost a part of AIML and gaming, like all things I have explored. But mainly we are using with compute service, uh, storage service, database services, then CI/CD part, uh, and almost all the services I have covered it. I also made
Oh,
the game in this AWS Sumerian. This is providing AR VR solution. So I also
oh,
made the game in that. So
oh,
I explored it. My interest was to explore new things. I was exploring that.
cool. So which one do you will find the best? Which one do you love this? Which service?
All the services are the best, sir.
All the
Like,
services are best. So you
because
made some product out of it, or just the tutorials? You
no,
made
sir.
something out of it?
Yes, sir. Like from the Lambda services, I will make my Alexa skills. So it was
Okay.
also there. And in terms of product, I was using AWS IoT, but in some point I was stuck at that point, and a lot of things other to do. So we
Okay.
are planning. I'm planning to do that. And in industry project, we are definitely using these services in day-to-day life, sir.
Okay. So you said you have made some Alexa skill as well.
Yes, sir.
So which one? Can you tell something about it?
Okay, so basically, Alexa skill is there about my introduction only. When I was there in the sixth semester and in the lockdown hit, so I was like to do some skills in Alexa. So I made this. It is basically there of this my introduction. So you can go in Alexa and you can watch into Google Alexa website also. So the skill name is Introduction to Nipun Parek. So it is
Okay.
basic thing I want to just explore the thing. So for that, I have created some basic kind of things.
Okay. How does it work? Can you just tell me something?
Okay, so when we have to develop all this thing in the developer platform of the Alexa, and over here they are using the machine learning for the our NLP or that kind of algorithm. I'm not sure about that,
Mm.
but they are using that algorithm for our voice. So if I'm going to speak something like tell me about Nipun Parek or introduction of Nipun Parek, then it will go at that site and it will hit my Lambda function. So you have to give the tags in terms of like what keywords you are using, like Nipun Parek, introduction, and particularly text. So from that it will identify. And still my skill is not in the booming, so directly you will go to Alexa and you will tell like introduction of Nipun Parek. They are not able to understood it. So for that we have to go into our developer, like in Alexa app there is a application is there. In that we have to go and we have to search for introduction of Nipun Parek, and then you have to enable it, and then you can use it.
Okay.
And learning point from the Alexa is that you have to make words clearly, like my name is Nipun. So Alexa is not able to understand clearly like Nippon, it's taking Nippon. So that
Hmm.
is the disadvantage of me. Like we have to choose word clearly, like it is fluently speakable.
Okay. Okay. So if I just ask Alexa,
Yes, sir.
Alexa, open introduction of Nipun Parikh.
Welcome to the Nippon introduction. Do you want to know about Nippon? Tell me about Nippon Parade.
Stop.
According to legal documents,
Alexa, stop. Okay. So like, how did you implement it? How did you go about implementing this? You created a Lambda function, and what does that Lambda function do?
So when we are going or we have enabled the skills at that time, when we are going to speak something like tell me about this thing, so Alexa will trigger the Lambda function. So
Hmm.
by default we don't have to create Lambda function, but in background Alexa is creating this thing for us. Like Alexa is providing us console only. From that we have to give answer our questions. Like we have to put question like tell me about Nipun Parek and tell me about projects of Nipun Parek. So particularly for the projects, Alexa is creating new Lambda function, and we have to
Okay.
answer that thing.
Okay. So you answer in text. You provided text that Alexa should speak when this question is asked. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And did you add any conversation to it?
No, sir. Because I want to make a skills, so I have not
Okay.
gone deeper into that. But
Okay.
uh, for the fun activity, I was
It's
making things.
interesting. I'll check that and I'll add it to the video.
Definitely, sir.
Great. Any other fun thing? Did you try deep racer?
I hope to try, but I have still not try because I was not good at that time at machine learning. But
Okay.
other thing was there to explore me, like Docker was there, Kubernetes was there,
Okay.
AWS Sumerian is also there. So best part of Sumerian is there. You if you want to make a AR VR game or 3D game, so
Hmm.
without writing any code, you can able to make it. So that is
Okay.
a best
I've
part of
not
it.
used Sumerian. Can you tell me more about it? Okay. How
Okay.
is it?
Yes, so Sumerian is basically for the game development, sir. We can integrate Poly also in the AWS Sumerian. We can also make AR VR game in
Okay.
that in a simple one module. So in that we have to create some game like it tutorials are there. I will follow this AWS Sumerian tutorials only from the YouTube, but I have made the game like counting balls. So we have to just press this side and up arrow key and ball is coming down and we have to put it in the bucket and score will be updated. So I've also had AR VR part. So you can, if you have AR VR enable or you have this features, then you can play with AR VR mode also.
Okay. Interesting. So, uh, like these were your fun activities, and uh, did you add them to some blog or something? Or
So definitely, sir. I want to make a blog, but I have not get time and I forgotly. But you suggest
uh,
me a good point. Like, and I can make a blog on that also.
yeah,
So definitely, I will going to look forward it.
because I usually write a blog when I want to make sure that I don't forget it. Others can also benefit out of it, but that's a quick reference for myself.
Yes, sir. I want to write a blog, but at that time I was not aware about like how blog is helpful and writing this thing it will helpful in future. At that time
Yeah,
I was in 6 semesters. I was not getting any idea, but right now I'm writing all the things, not in blog, but I have my documents. So I'm writing
okay.
each and every point and each and everything what I have learned and what I have do, what is the error I was facing. So
Oh,
that is
wow. And then you can share it with the world.
yeah, definitely, sir.
And go to hashnode.io. Just search for Hashnode. They have a
Right
very
now,
good frame. Hashnode, Hashnode. They have a very good framework for blogging. Or
okay.
of course, build a community app. We have it on the dev.to.
Dev dot comedy. Yes, sir.
And that is quite good as well.
Yes, I have written blog on this dev dot community also.
Okay,
You will find one over there also.
okay. I'll can you share a link? I'll add it to the video.
Definitely, sir. I will share that link also, and I've written many more blogs in the Medium. I
Okay.
will also share that link also, sir.
Oh, great. You have written on Medium as well.
Yes, sir. I was using Medium only because I'm
Okay.
not aware about the dev. But after this community program, I've gone in that, and it is very useful. So I have started written
Okay.
blog that also.
Okay. So, do you have friends in your college who come to you asking for guidance? So what should I do? How should I learn cloud?
So definitely, like we I don't provide any guidance. I learn something with them also. Like I
Okay.
was not thinking in my I have something and I want to guide them. I was thinking that I want to learn from that person, like what they are using, and I want to learn more things in skills like service is I'm using EC2, and I want to guide them or also learn them like key pair is there, then tags is there. So main motive is to learn new things while guiding others also.
Okay. So, but if someone comes to you and asks you like, how should I start learning cloud? How do maybe a
Okay.
first year student comes to you? How would you? What would you tell him?
So definitely. So for them, I suggest like do hands-on because you will get the idea while doing hands-on. You will get more knowledge, like what I have done and what is the thing. So take little bit intro about it. Like S3 is there. So take little bit intro or around 10 to 15 minutes intro, not more than that, and then jump to the practical side. So in practical, you'll explore much more than studying the things.
Okay. So, but where should you start? Like someone wants to learn AWS, lands on the console, create an account. Now what?
Okay. So for the from where they should learn, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So I created an account. I've got everything. Now how should I start work learning on?
Okay. So for that, I suggest the AWS document. It has each and every details. But rather than going with AWS document, if students are not good at reading, they don't want to read anything. They just want to watch video and do the things. So for that, I will suggest YouTube. In YouTube, lot of many channels are there. You will hit just AWS S3, and you will get lot of video, and from that you can learn all this thing.
Okay. Problem with YouTube is there's too many channels. We don't know which one is good. Any particular playlist that or channel that you follow?
Uh, I was not following that. I was reading document only, but I will
Okay.
suggest some good channels like Sandeep Das is there. He has very good content. Like Tech World with Nana is there, and
Okay.
lot of other channel is there which are good. Like Technical Guftugu is there. They are providing detail about it, each and every
Okay.
service detail explanation. So this some channels I can suggest which are good
Okay.
in content.
I think Nana is part of our AWS community.
Yes, sir.
And her videos are really nice. I like them.
Yes, sir.
And Sandeep Das, I have not checked. I'll check that.
Yes, definitely, sir. He's also
Okay.
a community builder, and he's
Oh,
also
okay.
AWS hero, like
Okay.
container hero. He's also there.
Oh, okay. Now about Microsoft, you like AWS. We all know about Alexa and Depressor and these exciting ones, exciting services.
Right.
I've not heard of such services in Azure. Can you tell me something like which ones did you like there?
Definitely, sir. So all the services are nice, as I told you, but for the fun activity and for the more exploration, like
Hmm.
Azure is very good with CI/CD pipeline, with this AI part. It is very good in the AI. Like they have, I've used this Azure cognitive services. So what they have done for this face recognition, we don't have to write all this code and do this stuff. They have made these cognitive services. In that, we have to just give this our photo, like 5 to 10 photos. Like if I for the face recognition I have to make app for the face recognition, then I have to give this photo only, and it
Mhm.
will train our model and do all this stuff within 10 minutes. I can get my model ready, all the things ready, and it will going giving me API. So I have to integrate with the if I want to integrate with my portal, then I can do that with the use of API. So this is the best thing about it. And
Okay.
also about the CI/CD, like Microsoft is also having GitHub, so they are providing direct connection with it. Like
Hmm.
plugins are there, it is more in Azure compared to this AWS.
Okay. Connectivity with GitHub is very good.
Right, sir.
Okay. Any other point that you really appreciate about Azure?
Okay. They are providing like CLI type of thing where we can do like in mobile phone also. Azure is also able to run from the mobile phone. Like we can also use
Yeah.
this Azure CLI and we can type the command and it is run. So that is AWS is also trying to do that thing, but still it is not in compared to Azure.
Azure to mobile app is really good.
Right.
Yes. You said that you have some products in mind, but not yet planning to jump into it. But are you like, do you have some roadmap 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line? Or
Okay. So definitely, sir. So my main goal is to do this DevOps engineering job. But
okay,
apart of it, if I get a time, that is a second option. So apart of it, I will jump to it if I will get a time. But main goal is
okay,
to do the DevOps job, do some
okay,
great things into DevOps.
okay. DevOps is one scary thing for most people. There's so many tools and technology. Like by the time you learn one, year, 10 more have come in the pipeline. How do you keep yourself updated?
Okay, so for that we have to continuously be there in this surfing things, like what new technology is coming. For that you can use LinkedIn. Like from LinkedIn you will get all this knowledge. Like this new technology is booming. Like I'm not aware about this HashiCorp and the Terraform, but from the LinkedIn I will get idea like Terraform is also there. From that we can do some stuff. And also if you learn more, then join any community, like any meetup group or any community. From that you will explore your knowledge, like this industry is using this thing, this company is using this thing. So from that you will get an idea.
Okay, that's nice. You've given a good view of what you have been doing. It's really impressive. Somebody starts learning in college and comes to this expertise by the time you pass out. Very few people done do it.
Right, sir.
I'm sure people will, the viewers will get something out of your skills.
Definitely, sir.
It's really nice having you here.
Thank you, sir, for providing this great opportunity. and thank you for starting this great channel. Like from this, student will get idea. I will definitely share with my juniors and all the students, so they will get idea like from our experience. You are providing that, so that is a great thing, sir. And thank you for starting this great channel, sir.